Oh my god, get in, love. She was slow. She was fucking slow, wasn't she? What are you doing there? What are you looking over your shoulder for, you little skinny wretch? I'll knock you out. Clean.
Bobbing like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it. Nigga, pass me the blood, let me roll it.
Fucking nearly deafened me then, Oggy. You fucking loud cunt.
Oh, all the rape's coming up now, isn't it?
I love rape.
Rape field.
Oh, I love a rape field, I do. There's nothing I love better than I go to a rape field.
I just farted over that skull.
You just farted? You fucking dirty cunt.
Well, that goes in your helmet, Ian. Oh, that little silver car's done up. You little fucking cunt. You know what you're doing, didn't you?
Of course he did.
You knew what you were doing.
Look, this one.
He's a cunt as well.
Turkish fucking restaurant. Well, fuck me, with a stiff dick. Fucking hell, Og. Fucking idiot, look.
I'm standing up.
I'm standing up. I forgot I can stand up if my ass starts hurting.
Yeah, you can stand up.
Fucking stand up. My ass is cold now, though.
Yeah, I still got a thingy. One to walk.
Oh.
A few bikers there.
Yeah, they're not fucking GS riders, though, are they?
No.
No, they're not,
Three
Oggy.
cents.
I only mix with them now, mate.
3 cents, yeah.
I've made an exception for you, having a Kawasaki, because I think you'll be switched soon.
Stinks like I shoot myself.
It fucking does stink like you've shat yourself. You're right there, Oggy. You little shitty ass fucker.
Look at that fucking cunts. The fuck are you doing there, you silly old bastard?
Fuck you, cunt! We showed them, Mug. We fucking showed them, mate.
Frankie in.
Where's Frankie live? Point to it.
Above that shop. Can't see his van. That alleyway there, you go down there and his house is on the left hand side.
Right, okay.
It's the window, the right hand window above the shop.
Isn't there a fucking prostitute place near there? I thought that
That's
used to
his
be
house.
above. Is that his place?
That's his house.
I thought there used to be a Preza thing above that shop. It was somewhere down there.
Yeah, well that's it.
All right.
Why the bloke was saying he locks the gate. Just get all weirdos knocking on.
Fuck me.
Because he's living in the Cross's house.
Fuck me. Frank could be sucking dick for a tenner.
One came and knocked on his door. Got off train, came across, knocked on the door. Come for a massage. He said, well, I think I'm a bit dear for you, mate.
One eternity later.
Do you mean I went to Matlock today? See Craig, oh Craig, to pick this baby up. My new tank bag. Bought it off Richie, 60 quid bargain. The lad, he did me a fucking brilliant deal because I normally double that. Brand new, still got all tags on it. Pulled me out of the shit, the lad asked. Then we went Grindleford. Had a bacon butty and a hot chocolate, and then we've just been down from there to cemetery. Dropped me mum and dad a little model of me bike on the grave because they're not seeing it, so I've dropped them off that. I'll put a picture up, and now I'm on my way back. A little model was bob on my bike, apart from it had the rally seat on it. Fuck me, go on mate, you're a fucking piston puller. We've been cyclists on every fucking road we've been on today, holding up traffic. Don't mind so much if they get over and ride single file, but they don't. The fucking little arseholes just ride in the middle of the road. That irritates me. You should be able to punch them straight in the spine and break it for them as you ride past. Foot out, straight in the bottom of the spine. Fucking idiots. Come here, two abreast here. Just get the fuck in. Or are they? Maybe I'm wrong here. Let's have a look. We'll have to investigate this a little bit further. No, I think they are single. Oh, he's out a bit. Fucking knobber there in the red at the back. He's out holding the fuckers up. Fuck off with your stupid little fucking skinny wheels. I'll run you all over. Should have filled up really, got half a tank left. Averaging on me on my journey today, averaging 57.6 miles per gallon. It's not fucking bad, that, is it, on a 1250? What are you braking for, you knobby nonsense? Anyway, Oggy's put my graphics on now, the lad, on the front of my bike. I'll show you when I get off. The only thing we've got to do to it now is to get the tracker back on it. Got me fender extender on the front now, mud sling on back. I think I've told you this, but fender extender went on. We tried to fit that infill piece. It was $4.79 from AliExpress. Took everything apart and then realised it just wasn't wide enough. Probably about 5mm too narrow. So that's another bit of shit from AliExpress. But to be honest, it's not bad. AliExpress have ordered a few parts from there, and I probably had two that are shit and probably cost me £8. You know, £8 for the pair of them, £4 something each. So it's well worth taking a punt on it, because that fucking infill piece is full price. I think it's about 50 odd quid for like a wonder fucking dick one or something. So I'm like, I ain't that fucking bothered. Oh, I love this bike. It is beautiful. Oh yeah, it is. Oggy, you've got to come and join me soon. Yeah. We'll get your flooring done, and then we'll go shopping. I reckon you'll have one by the end of the year. Shows your titties. Show me your Tonka toy. Show me how much you can lift. Yeah. I just want to ride this beast. Yeah, I do. I want to rub my nuts all over it. Oh, 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 like that. Yeah, like that. You looking at me? I will knock you clean out. I've got a neutral. Put myself off then. Right, I'm going. Ciao, mama.